Today we have the EKSA E900 gaming headset. Now, unlike the E900 Pros, which we have previously reviewed, that were indeed 2-in-1 music listening and gaming headphones, while the E900s do have a very similar design, but are solely made for gaming. Nope, they don't support 7.1 surround sound, but before we do get into the headphone review, if you want to check out the EKSA gaming headphone stand, which we have again previously reviewed, this stand will basically turn any of your basic headphones into a real immersive surround sound environment while using the stand in conjunction with your PC. Take a look at that previous review, the link will be provided at the end of this video and in the video description down below. Now, most of the EKSA gaming headphones do actually come with a handy PU leather EKSA embedded pull cord carry case included. But while quickly taking these ones out of the box today, I must say that they have a very similar look to the Pro versions, with these ones being very bold in that purple and black colour tone. These E900s today should set you back around £29, that's around $39 in US dollars. The E900s do have that unique open spring wire design, with the whole headset being extremely adjustable, with the 50mm driver units that do swivel. They are attached to that sturdy purple metal frame, with the outer shell of the drivers having that iconic mesh grille, without any LED illumination, I'm afraid. And although the embedded headband is adequately padded, I do think that the over-the-ear earpads are rather basic and not as good as the ones on the E900 Pros. Nevertheless, the design we do like. They are super light too. They do have a very lengthy rubber layered 3.5mm audio cable attached. That does have a volume control wheel and a microphone mute switch included too. Talking about mics, there is a detachable microphone included inside the box. There is also a real plush microphone filter, a detailed user manual, and yep, a PC and laptop adapter. These EKSA E900s are compatible with PS5 consoles, which we'll be testing them out with that today. So we are going to just plug it in just now, and yeah, let's just see how good they perform. Alright guys, so we're playing Dying Light 2 on the PlayStation 5 console. Now, the microphone is situated around about 2 inches away from my mouth. Again, there's only going to be some type of a distortion if you're shouting like this! But other than that, our voice pickup is nice and clear, quite crisp. We've actually played back some of the gameplay a minute ago, and it is quite impressive. Now, with regards to surround sound, let's just go back. Let's turn around in a circle.
I said back up, you weirdo.
Okay. Surround sound isn't too bad. I wouldn't say it's better than those more expensive gaming headsets. Again, it hasn't got 7.1 surround sound or anything like that. But other than that, it's got above average audio quality. Now yes, volume isn't super high, I must admit, with this headset. Treble though is pretty good, with the mid-tones that don't overpower too much. So we've got pretty good audio levels. But what stands out about this headset, again, is just the microphone. Good microphone pickup. And certainly quite good if you're intending to use this headset in conjunction to a gaming YouTube channel. Yeah, not too bad and not too shabby, really. I wouldn't say they are totally immersive. The earpads don't actually seal the outside noise that much, but I will say that intricate details are picked up. And hopefully while you've been listening to this gameplay playback, you might have noticed that our microphone today is not picking up any of the sounds in our room. For example, the fan on the PlayStation 5, or other details such as people that are sat in this room just now. So the microphone quality is spot on. Audio quality, I am going to give maybe 7 out of 10. That is for a basic headset. Again, if you want to improve the audio, you can use that EKSA stand, but unfortunately it won't work with a PS5 console or PS4 console. It will only work with a PC or laptop. See, it's pretty impressive for the price. This headset does have average comfort too. And does that mute switch work? Well, let's see. Yeah. Yeah, it does. So yep, I hope you've enjoyed this review today. My ears, by the way, are not feeling too sweaty. I've actually been playing this game for over an hour now. Again, they are super lightweight. And if you want an affordable headset just like this one today, well, why not go down in the video description down below where I've left a handy little link. Yeah. So yeah, click that link and go get yours. While you're in that video description, guys, please make sure to break that like button. Please share this video wherever you can. Very much appreciate it. As well as subscribing and hitting that bell notification option, so you guys stay updated on all our new uploads. So it's been great to review this headset this week, and we are going to be doing some more gaming accessory reviews in the next few days, so stay tuned for them. Anyway, we're going to get back to this game now, but as usual guys, please stay safe and thank you ever so much for watching. Peace!